Idol na to. Idol mo isa.
Kaon mandaan. Kaon mandaan. Mana god?
Okay, jump ball between Lukot and Makili. Makili. Pass to Lucero. Good control, Lucero. Mr. Guys. Pass to Lacia. Pass to Unag. Tatlak 10 seconds. Lacia, jump shot. Go for 2.
Ayaw pensana. Ay pensana.
Lucero. Tatlak 15 seconds. Nases. Tatlak 10 seconds. Intercepted by Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys, pass to Lacia. No good. Rebound by Nases. What a power rebound. Lucero. On the drive, good for 2. Lacia, pass to Moral. To Mr. Guys sa ilalim. Grabe pagpusa to. Good for 2 by Mr. Guys. Watch out, watch out. Lucero. Pass to Bonado. Tatlak 15 seconds. Long pass to Tagliamo, number 30. Overpowered. Shot clock 8 seconds. Bonado. Rebound. Rebound by Moral. Lukot Prada. Killing on the drive. No good. Warning Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys. Spin Lacia jump shot. Bang, good for 2. Lacia.
Kami gisi oh.
Nases. Pass to Makili. Tatlak 15 seconds. Pass to Lucero, jump shot. Rebound by Lukot. Pass to Moral. Pass to Lacia. Equal violation. Same ball position. Rebound by Mr. Lacia. Pass to Unab. Back to Lacia. Pass to Mr. Guys. Tatlak 10 seconds. Pass to Lacia. On that triple line. Short. Rebound by Makiling. Pass to Bugabo. Bugabong spinning. Pass to Makiling. Good for 2. Makiling. Mr. Guys. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15 seconds. Pass to Lukot. Good for 2. Lukot. Bugabo. Good for 2. Mr. Guys dribbling the ball. Tatlak 15 seconds. Lacia on the 3-point line. No good. Rebound by Lucero. On the drive. Basket count for Lucero. Foul number 23. Mr. Guys. Bonus throw for Lucero. Running score 10 against 8. In favor of Hoopers. Bonus throw for Lucero.
Shot, ganit ka.
Number 1.
Pagka-shot. Hindi pa ko tayo nag-score.
Mr. Guys. On the 3-point line. No good. Rebound by Lukot. At like 10 seconds. Lukot, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Makiling. Also Tagliano. Over 2. Lukot, pass to Moral.
Oy, katanga ko vlog dapat kararo kusog dagan ba.
Nases. Pass to Tagliano. No good. Rebound by Moral. Pass to Lukot. On the drive.
Continuation mo na.
Kauna, travel ang kauna. Pwede na, mag-dribble. Hindi na.
Nases. Pass to Tagliano. At like 15 seconds. Nases. Pass to Bongabo. Bongo 2.
Kung tayo na nag-score.
Mr. Guys. At like 15 seconds. At like 10 seconds. Five minutes.
5 minutes na. Opo. Lipat pa dito sa
Full position team, Mr. Guys. Second quarter, Dani. Umat. On the triple line. No good. Rebound by Makiling. Pass to Nases. Pass to Bernardo. Up. Intercepted by Moral. Long pass to Lukot.
Nasa makabok.
Good for 2. Bungabo. Good. Rebound by Nag.
Duha na lang.
Pass to Moral. Good. Rebound by Bates. Pass to Lucero. Lucero on the drive. Good for 2.
Mupakpak kung nakulap.
Pass to Umat. Pass to Moral. Pass to Umat. Rebound by Bates. Long pass to Lucero. Bates. Rebound by Moral. Pass to Lukot. Out of bounds. Makiling. Lucero. The clock 15 seconds. Waters. The clock 10 seconds.
Uy.
What is Dema?
Out of bounds. The clock
Ila-ila
9
so
seconds.
kaloy.
Waters. Pass to Gunabo. To Lucero. Good for 2. Garcia. Pass to Lupon.
O siya bili dun eh,
Pass
kaloy.
to Garcia.
Alingasa.
Pass to Moral. The clock 15 seconds. Good for 2.
Bao, ganahan man sila maghago-hago-hotel.
15 seconds. Lucero. Jump shot. Good for 2.
Nini mo. Saan Nini?
Lupot. Pass to Moral. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Mac. Pass to Lupot. Pass to Nab. Good for 2.
Hoy. Wala ko ko hotel. Aw.
Uy.
Dol, bola dol.
Uy. Oh, lagi.
Di lagi.
Uma. At like 15 seconds. Garcia. Good for 2. Okay. Lucero. Jump shot. Good for 2. Running score.
Kanang malipay dyan sa Rubian. Ang kuha. Pinaga mabangkat niya.
Uma. Jump shot. Good for 2.
Mau ako.
Waters.
Magamay mo. Dako mo.
Pass to Lucero. The bounce. At like 15 seconds. Six. Pass to Waters. At like 10 seconds. Lucero.
Ay, short.
Umak. Pass to Moral.
Umay nga zi. Sunod ako nga zi.
Oliver 16.
Umay nga
Lucero.
zi.
Tel, ho, ano yung number na gibutang sa yung jersey na. Tel.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Ingan si Jog. Ingan pa si Jog Telog.
Back to Garcia.
Surprise yun na yan. Naunahan yun si Jog.
Long pass to Lucero.
Uy.
All number 9. Nases.
Nases. Kasi nases na nasal.
At lucky team. So good. Good for 2. Loko. So good. Rebound by Benabo. Pass to Waters.
Ay, uy.
Intercepted. Oral. Good for 2.
Dali kau siap, baca. Touch parkir na. Bunga kau sih.
Sa tanga, Dawson. Sa tanga.
Dipisa. Ay, kumpiyansa.
Mr. Guys. A clock 15 seconds. Ural, go for 2. Intercepted.
Play, score boy.
57-38. In favor of Team Hoopers.
Siya.
Lucero, jump shot. Go for 2.
Dipisa.
Mr. Guys. The clock 15 seconds.
Honortel.
3 seconds.
The clock 5 seconds. Mark. Good. Pamaliwagan. Pass to Tagyamon. Pass to Lucero. Lucero. Good. Rebound by Ural. Pass to Lacia. Jump shot. Short.
Nyura.
Rebound by Tagyamon. Good.
Kaway. Balik.
Over 2. Buatan. Hindi na no. The clock 15 seconds. Mr. Guys. Good. Rebound by Lucero.
Agad, tulong.
Wala.
Good for 2.
Balik lang.
Umhak.
Nice D, sige.
Tagyamon. Good for 2.
Pasir. Uy. Pwede dawat bago daan.
Da.
Ya. Sige, balik na mo.
Ani. Nay usar ako apa oy. 5.
Good play.
Ay nagbong. Nay usa ko 5 yellow.
Lacia. Pass to Mr. Guys.
Ngi puti man.
Pass to Lacia. Pass to Unan. Short. Rebound by Moral. Good for 2. Moral. Running score 65-40
Duha ra ni.
in favor of Team Hoopers. Tagyamon. Good. Rebound by Moral.
Bawa magamit mahagbong ba?
Pass for 2.
Tingnan ko no sila. Nintingog na?
Paag ang break.
Nihog na? Thank you. Kay dugay mahuman basta mamatay tel. Waton pa mo ni ko gana.
Tagyamon. At Lucero. Sa clock 15 seconds.
Kuan gubaog suga atong boss.
Good. Rebound by Lacia. Pass to Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys. Going for 2.
Kay awas, maludo to.
Mr. Guys. Lucero. Pass to Brotes.
Ano ligid mo? Ligid. Demi nga ni muli am daw.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 38 seconds. His foul rate 35. Lacia. First personal foul, first team foul. Jet clock 14 seconds. Lucero jump shot. No good. Rebound by Moral.
Blike. Ah, grabe 3 mo shot.
Pass to Mac. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by Labo. Pass to Tagdiamon.
Sud. Gi. Bangan sila.
Pass to Botes. 4-2.
Dubul daw ay dubul. Standing up.
Garcia. Time out.
Bola.
Full position, Mr. Guys.
Dibili, tari mo, katulog, black dari mo. Gana gidilit mo.
Iman. Pass to Lupot. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Dupa. Go break.
Lucero. Long pass to Tagdiamon. Good for 2.
Balik.
Ural.
Ayo, pre.
Good for 3. Ural. Tagdiamon. Pass to Makili. Huwag mo na ba itong plan sa travel ba? Ano mo, kita ito ba? Lima. Ano moral? Paso Lasia, jump shot. Bang, berjatuh.
Gina.
Lucero.
Uy.
Nases.
Uy, short.
Pagkaman moral.
Relax.
Ito 12 seconds.
Bola.
Ito 12. Botes. Paso
Ay.
Tagdiamon. Out of bounds. Remaining time 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Running score 69-47. Pass to the court. Olasia. Rebound. Makili. Short. Ball misses.
Uy.
Makili. Jump shot. No good. Nashes.
Oh.
No good. At 5 seconds.
Uy.
Makili. Pass to Nashes.
Yosa. Wala siya, Dijon. Dijon para shot ng bola haron.
Pass to Mac. Good for 2.
Ye.
21.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
22.
Lucero. Shot clock 10 seconds. Good for 2. Botes. Remaining time 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Running score 71-49. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Short. Good for 2. Lukot. Akili. Pass to Tagdiamon.
Sud lang.
Pass to Botes.
Relax.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Back to Botes.
Jace.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Ayan.
Good for 2.
Bisa nga ba?
Mr. Guys. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Weh. Ay, napon ka, weh.
Number 29, Makili. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for Mr. Guys.
Third na 10.
Good for one. Lastro. Ready for rebound. Reverse complete. Lucero. Pass to Tagliamon. Just like 15 seconds. Good for two. Intercepted by Lucero.
Hindi na.
Foul.
Wala.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. The clock 15 seconds. Walk a move. Go for two.
That.
The clock 15 seconds. Tagliamon. Set. The clock 10 seconds. Foul number 23, Mr. Guys. Second personal foul, second team foul. Lucero. The clock 10 seconds. Umat, go for two.
Pasala.
Nasus. Pass to Tagliamon. Pass to Bortes. Go for two. Bortes. Garcia. Pass to Umat. Pass to Mr. Guys. Good. Dalawa by Lukot. Go for two. Seconds to play. Mr. Guys.
Kadagat naman eh.
Good. Iba na Tagliamon. Tagliamon. Short. Rebound by Lacia. 35 seconds remaining time.
Dupawe.
Four. 30 seconds remaining time. Good for two.
Skor.
Running score 61-77. 20 seconds remaining time. 15.
Wala ka tong dato. Duwarte ko na kalito.
Maligo ulit kita.
Remaining time 12.4 seconds. 10.
Niya.
Good for two. 5.
Ragme.
Uy, wawa dyan. Lagi.
Pinkia.
Unsa na nga quarter ron?
Pass to Tagliamon.
Mo pa'y pagka-fourth?
Pass to Lucero. Jump shot. No good. Ibang Leonard. Pass to Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys. Pass to Leonard. Sa 15 seconds. Moran. No good. Ibang by Tagliamon. Good for two. Tagliamon. Umat. Pass to Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys. Sa clock 15 seconds. Lucero. Pass to Tagliamon. Short. Rebound by Nab. Intercept the Valley Wagon.
Ato pula.
Ato mini siya.
Ah.
Kaya ka.
Enough. Pass for Mr. Guys. Good for 2. Running score 71-83 in favor of Team Hoopers. Nagyaman pass sa Bungabong. Oh, rebound by Ray.
Yes, angin ninyo oy, kamay na lang oy.
Long pass to Uman. Good for 2.
Apsa na mo.
Pinky. Agiano. Marcelo Lucero. Good for 2. Good for 2. At like 15 seconds. Running score 85-75. Remaining time. That's 3 minutes. At like 15 seconds.
Lam, sir.
At like 10 seconds.
Nice one.
At like 15 seconds.
Sunod-sunod to.
At like number 10.
Okay.
At like 10 seconds. At like 15 seconds.
Sige, amping mo sa biyahe ha. Talay, bye.
Remaining time 1 minute and 31 seconds. Time out, Team Hoopers. Running